Hello everyone, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. And today I am going to be discussing and launching a full stack MERN stack, which is going to be a MongoDB, Express, React, and Node. And this Mohansh Technology is going to be providing you and offering you 45 days free classes. 45 days free classes, mastering full stack MERN. Mastering full stack MERN. So you become zero to master in this particular 45 days, regular sessions, and these particular sessions are only online sessions. So we already launched Python and we already launched JavaScript, HTML, CSS, these different classes, right? And we are uploading a lot of programming languages also in the YouTube channel. So now these are the live sessions. Full stack, MERN, MongoDB, Express, React, Node, 45 days. Free sessions are live sessions. And what the topics we are going to be cover in the 45 days, let me explore one by one. So the day one, we are trying to giving the introduction to the web development, the client server model setup. And let me give the different kind of editors, VS Code, Node.js, and Zit repository or Git repository. And day two, we are going to be dealing with the HTML different tags like elements, forms, tables, semantic tags. Day three, introduction to the CSS, selectors, colors, layouts, flexbox, grid, transitions, all these things. Day four, entering into the programming, JavaScript basics. So in the part of JavaScript, variables, data types, loops, functions, these are the fundamentals, right? Yes. And day five, we enter to the DOM manipulation, JavaScript document object model. There we will discuss about the multiple kind of events, local storage, JSON concept and all. Every day is important day. Day six, ES6 features, let const, template, literals, arrow functions and all. Day seven, destructuring, spread rest operators, modules, imports, exports. And day eight promises async await fetch API. Day nine, error handling, callbacks, higher order functions. Day 10, mini project, weather app using the fetch API. This is completely related to the JavaScript. And here, the major important point is going to be starting. The modern web development is going to be starting. Why this React is going to be having highly demanding on top of the JavaScript. Number of job openings which are going to be available on top of the JavaScript React.js. So day 11 onwards, just jump into the part of React.js. Introduction to the React.js components and JSX. JavaScript with XML, JSX syntax, React completely following with the JSX syntax. Yes, I will explore each and everything step by step in React.js, how to write a React program and what are the different kind of concepts which are going to be available in the React. Day 12, props, states and event handling. Day 13, conditional rendering lists and keys. Day 14, forms and controlled components. How the components are actually controlled by one to each other. Okay. How the data is actually transmitting between the component to component. And day 5, we will be having the use effect, use state hooks. Day 16, day 16, we are going to be having component lifecycle and fetching API, fetching from API, how the data is going to be fetching from the APIs and all we will discuss. And day 17 is the routing with the React router DOM. 18 context API state management. This is very important. In interviews, the more important questions and more question answers will come on the this concept of state management system. And hooks, you know hooks, right? So let me tell you how the hooks will be work out in the projects and all. And day 19, working with the Axios. Axios is one kind of library in React.js, how to fetch the data from the servers using by JSON and how these API calls are working. And day 20, styling React, CSS modules and styled components and Bootstrap injection. And day 21, CRUD operations, React plus JSON server, dummy API. We will work on the dummy API there. And mini project, React Task Manager. Yeah, that we will do. Come to the day 23, introduction to the Node.js, very trending, and master in the part of the JavaScript, Node.js, which is the server side. There you'll be having the n number of NPM modules. Day 24, file system, path, events, streams, HTTP server. 25 Express.js, how Express was actually working as a bridge between the this node and MongoDB and client routing middleware APIs. Day 26, handling post, get, put, delete request. Day 17, we will be having the REST APIs and postman testing kind of things. And day 28, template engines, EJS handlebars. 29, authentication, JWT, bicrypt tokens, sessions, lot of authentications we will discuss again. Day 30, we will be having the mini project on Express.js, that is okay, with the CRUD REST API. Let's go with the 31, introduction to the NoSQL called MongoDB. How this MongoDB is having a highly demanding in the picture. No SQL database, no relational tables, no relational tables. Data is going to be handled by tree structure, object-oriented way. And CRUD operations, insert, find, update, delete. Mongoose, ORM schemes models, relations in MongoDB, and embedded referring. Day 35, we are connecting with the MongoDB Express.js backend integration. Let me go with the day 36, connecting React frontend with Node.js plus Express.js. Connecting React frontend with Node.js and Express.js. This is the important point, important bridge. How your full stack is going to be merging the frontend and backend. And 37, sending data from the frontend to backend via API. 38, authentication, sign up, login using the JWT, React plus Node. 39, React private routes, protecting components. 40, file uploads, images, documents with Multer. Let's go with the 41. Yeah, so I missed it. Yeah, no issues. These are the different kind of concepts we are going to be working on that. And we will be having a Mohansh Technologies is going to be having a exclusively different kind of thing. Learn by working, workspace atmosphere, learning, master skills with the real-time concepts, and practice still you become master. Real-time coding challenges, 100% job placement assistance, 100% interview preparation with coding challenges, dedicated placement support till you land your dream job. And we will be having these 45-day sessions, MERN stack. This is going to be exclusively free. We are not going to be charging a single rupee from anyone. Please remember it. And come to the MERN stack openings, how MERN stack is going to be demanding in the market nowadays. Let me go with the LinkedIn here. So in the LinkedIn, I will show jobs area. I go to the jobs area and you search for MERN developers or MERN developers. Okay, MERN stack or MERN developer. Okay, you just go this keyword, freshers or experienced people, huge number of job openings. You can see MERN stack developer, everywhere MERN. Okay, let me go to the Naukri. Naukri is the famous platform for the job portal, right? Okay, inside the Naukri also, I am searching for the MERN. Okay, I'm searching for the MERN stack. So when you search for the MERN stack, you will be finding lakhs of jobs. Okay, let me go to the jobs over there. Okay, I am searching for MERN. Okay, MERN, MERN. MERN stack, MERN full stack developer or MERN stack developer, whatever it may be. Okay, search here. Imagine thousands of jobs, thousands of jobs. Even you change your experience also. You change your experience also. Huge number of job openings, even change experience. Change experience. Huge number of job openings. See, 1 to 4 years, MERN full stack developer recruitment is going on. Remote. Lot of remote openings. Hyderabad, Gorgam. Can you see? Huge number of job openings. This number of job openings which are going to be available. That that exclusive technology, that emerging technology, Mohansh Technologies is going to be providing you free of cost. We are not charging a single rupee here. Outside you go, people are actually charging like outside you go, people are charging like 40,000, 50,000, even 1 lakh, 2 lakhs also. Some people actually paid 2 lakhs also. Some next wave, different kind of companies. And when you go to Amirpet, they are actually telling like 50,000, 40,000, 30,000, 6 months duration, 3 months duration, 1 year duration. No, sir, no need. Mohansh Technologies is going to be giving you within 45 days. We make you 0 level to master level in MERN stack development. Okay, let me go with the one more website called Found It. If I go to the found it, even in the found it also, you search for the MERN developers. MERN stack. Hey Mohansh, MERN stack. Let me search for MERN here. MERN stack developers. Hmm. MERN stack developers. Search. When you search here you can see, maybe this is not taking properly the word. You have to go to the jobs area and you can search for the MERN requirements. MERN. Oh, you will be having a very good interaction with the foundit. Okay, you will be getting a lot of job openings with the MERN stack. And let me go to the Indeed.com. Even Indeed.com also, I am searching for the MERN stack development or MERN stack developer, MERN stack developer. You can see MERN stack developer find jobs, and there you can able to find a huge number of job openings. Huge number of job openings. Can you see? And salaries. One more thing I want to talk to you. MERN stack developers are going to be getting salaries, high salaries. Even 2+ years of experience people, 4+ years of experience people getting lakhs of rupees per month. 18 lakh per annum, 24 lakh per annum, 30 lakh per annum. That much higher salaries MERN stack developer can demand, right? So jobs are available, sir. Huge number of jobs are available, and people are actually charging lakhs of rupees for the MERN stack. Thousands of rupees, lakhs of rupees, 30,000, 50,000, 1 lakh. People are ready to pay 1 lakh. People are ready to pay 1 lakh. People are not ready to come to the free sessions. That's the problem actually. Okay, if you want to pay the money, you pay the money, but after 45 days. If you like the videos and all. But we are going to be giving free of cost. We don't want your money. We are going to be giving all MERN stack related content 0 to master level, project level, free of cost. 45 days exclusive sessions are going to be launching. That's the Mohansh agenda. Mohansh agenda is we have to go a different way into the market. We have to serve the people. People are actually fail with the time. People are fail with the money, and a lot of people are actually losing the money. No, sir. Why? We give we give all the MERN stack 45 days free sessions from day 0 to day 45. You attend the sessions, then you tell me. Mohan's strategy is different. All the programming languages we are giving free. Okay, fine. Why not? We can give full stack also free. Full stack 45 days we can give free and learn full stack properly. MERN stack. And I'm going to be Mohan. Is going to be launching one more full stack Python full stack. The same day we are launching two things. One is the MERN stack. One is the Python full stack. And Diwali day we are actually starting. So that day you note it somewhere. 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock in the morning, we are going to be starting the two batches. One is a MERN stack developer, MERN full stack, and Python Django Flask full stack. Okay, the group links I will give in the description for the both classes. You can join with the classes. Join with the groups first. And Diwali day onwards, you join for the classes. And Mohan's Technologies is having only emerging technologies. So, mohanstechnologies.com. Open mohanstechnologies.com. You will be see a lot of emerging technologies. Only trending and emerging technologies. See one by one. Cybersecurity. There are multiple kind of PingFederate, Ping Access, Ping One. So PingFederate is no coding course actually. That is actually IAM module, Identity Access Management module. That is going to be having highly demanding in the market. There is no code again. That is only integration part. Then we are having a Gen AI, Data Science, SOC Analyst, Azure, Microsoft Azure Entra ID, and we have the Okta, MuleSoft, very trending for the freshers and experienced people, and SOC and ethical hacking. Ethical hacking is also a very good explorer in the cybersecurity nowadays. AML KYC in the financial sector. AML KYC is the very important thing. Anti-money laundering, blockchain. Oh my God, that is the emerging technology which is going to be having highly security in the financial systems and the hospitality in the different kind of sectors in the real time. And that blockchain we are providing with the web3.js, that we are providing with the Python, and we have an exclusive course called blockchain security also, and quantum computing. So nowadays everybody listening about the quantum computing. Quantum computing is going to be an emerging thing. There is no CPU, there is no GPU in the future, only QPU will be there. That quantums are going to be rocking the market coming upcoming days. Even nowadays also quantum computing have a lot of job openings. I will show when we have the quantum computing videos. You can see the quantum computing videos in our YouTube channel. Okay, let me go our YouTube channel. So I am just opening view your YouTube channel. So here you can see there are multiple kind of playlists. Mohansh Technologies. YouTube channel name is Mohansh Technologies. If you open the YouTube channel, you will be finding a number of playlists. See, can you see? Already two sessions are running in the morning, 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. So I am already uploaded here. I am uploaded 6 videos. Here uploaded 5 videos, and here uploaded Golang. And can you see Groovy? How many number of videos uploaded? 19 videos. See every playlist. Can you see the MuleSoft 133 videos uploaded? Can you see the PingFederate 48 videos already uploaded? Can you see the Generative AI 21 videos already uploaded? This number of videos we are providing free of cost. Okay, so every day, 6 to 7 videos there are available in the YouTube. At the same time, regular classes all also going on. You people contact Mohan's Technologies, ask for groups, and you can join with the groups. And today agenda is different. Today agenda is according to the MERN stack, full stack development, that you people have to note somewhere on 20th, on October 20th, Diwali day, we are going to be starting. Okay, previously Dasra day, we started 2 batches, and Diwali day, exclusive bomb blast actually. That is the bigger bomb blast. 45 days, full stack course free. Your 1 lakh is saved, your 1.5 lakh is saved, and your time also saved. Why? Because of you no need to come to anywhere. You sit in your home, open your laptop and listen the classes. Online, Mohan's platform is online platform. We are online. We have the students from the multiple areas. We have the students from Kolkata. We have students from United States. We have students from Pune. We have students from Rajasthan. Oh my God, thank you. A lot of people are actually coming from the different areas. That's the Mohan's plan, Mohan's agenda. So if you have any queries and questions, you can ask me in the chat box, that comment box. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel, share this valuable information with your friends and family members, whatever it may be. And please like the video, don't forget it. And if anybody not subscribed so far, please go and subscribe it and click on the bell icon. Then immediately, whenever I upload a video, you will be getting a notification. That is a very important thing. That's what actually I want to tell you. Please refer your friends and family members. This is a valuable information. Please watch the video carefully from starting to end. 45 days, MERN stack development, free. Free. No need to pay money, sir. Thank you attending the session. Have a good day. See you. Signing off. Bye bye.